Hey everyone, so here is this app called USEND. It has quite good reviews, so I figured let's do a quick overview. So to install it, just tap get and then you can start the installation process on iOS, on iPhone. And there you have it, you have USEND here. Great exchange rate, you can use promo code to get no fee on 3 transfers. You have 50 plus countries. And then you can select destination, country, and all of that. So pretty good reviews here in the App Store. Let's just open it up. You can allow notifications. So there is something like USEND global account, multi-currency checking account, more than 750 gift cards. So yeah, that's a cool feature. I didn't find it in apps like Wise or Western Union, I don't know. And then yeah, you just need to create an account. So to create an account, you just need to select your origin country. And origin country can only be US, Canada, or Brazil. So if you select US, and then you need to select your destination country, which is mostly like South America, Europe, and yeah, okay, also Asian countries. So yeah, I will create another video exactly how to create an account here, but yeah, just a quick preview. So here's also their chat, here's how you can log in, and yeah, so that's the idea. Hope the quick preview was helpful. If this just preview has a lot of likes and views, I'll create a full video overview. Thank you.